Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we're going to unbox the brand new COLMI SKY 2. As you can see, we have here now the watch in our hands, and let's go through the specification and see what we got from this smartwatch. So we have a 1.22 inch touchscreen, full color. We have health tracker, including heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, and all this kind of stuff. It's waterproof, so you can go swim with it, wash your hands, it's not gonna hurt the smartwatch. We have multiple activity tracker, 7 exercise modes that we can see in the future of this video, and we have other functions like caller reminder, notification, SMS from notification from different apps, and all other things that we will show you in this video. So let's get back to the unboxing and see what we got more. And now let's begin with unboxing. We have a pretty simple box right here. As you can see, immediately we have a view on the watch. Let's remove some safety packaging. We have now the watch here. As you can see, simple and very slim. Here in this package we can find the charger and the user manual, as you can see right here. Charger in this little plastic. And it goes right here. And also I find out that we have a magnet. As you can see, it pulls immediately, and as you can see, the watch now it's on. When we made contact with the charger, the watch turned on. Also, not forget to mention that we have a screen protector for our COLMI in the package that is included. This is glass, and that's very useful, so we will put this in the future. Let's get back to the watch and see what we got. As you can see, we have here in the first page the time. We have also the date, as you can see here. In the left we have some version information, the battery in the bottom, MAC address. In the right we have shutter, timer, brightness, switch, reset, and power off. Up we have messages that comes from notifications app. We have here steps, hours of sleep, heart rate, sport, blood pressure, blood oxygen, and that's pretty much it. So as I said in the beginning, the COLMI SKY 2 is a very simple watch. It has a beautiful shape, very slim and very easy to use. So let's see how the COLMI SKY 2 will perform. Let's do some tests and let's see how these options will work. As you can see now, the COLMI SKY 2 is in my hand and it sits really good. As you can see, it's flat with my hand and it's really comfortable to use. Let's go ahead now to hard rate first, and as you can see immediately when you stay in that page or option, how you want to call it, it will start to measure your heart rate. As you can see, the results now are here. It wasn't the slowest but not too fast as well, and as you can see the final result with vibration to tell you that the results are done. We have here training. In training we have walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, and that's all. Let's go to the first one, that is walking, and as you can see immediately we'll start to start the seconds, blood pressure, burn calories, kilometers, and steps. Next we have blood pressure. Let's test that as well. See what we got from COLMI. The blood pressure, as you saw, took a bit whiler than the heart rate, and that's okay for me because maybe it needs more time. We have here blood oxygen, and blood oxygen same as the heart rate, faster. It shows you the result. And that's pretty much it for the COLMI SKY 2. As you saw, everything works perfectly. The colors are great and results are coming real fast. And we know now that the COLMI SKY 2 is worth to buy. If you like something simple and easy to use, the COLMI SKY 2 is your choice. So guys, thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next one.